Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Malibu LT. Stock number Z9314XX. Only 26,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Champagne silver metallic in color. To receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side allows the 60-40 split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Pages with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and the city average of 37 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.